What the fuck? People are crazy, man. Yeah, for real. DB coming at you. This is my first YouTube video. We're in Georgia right now. I have to head to the airport to go to Los Angeles. Our flight leaves at 10 o'clock, so we're about to head down there. I'll see you when I'm in LA. What's up, YouTube? We're out here in LA. We just left the apartment, dropped off my brother. We're en route to the Supreme store right now. Number 17th in line. We're cooking today, boys. Let's go. We got Mama driving.
Mama J, hi.
All right. We'll be back when we're there. I'll see you later. Since I didn't have my camera at the Supreme store, I screen recorded Jacob Starr's vlog, a part that I was in, and I used that in the video, so yeah.
Alright, y'all, just got to the block, met a subscriber. He got some stuff. Got some two water guns. They let you get two?
Yeah.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Are they letting everyone get two?
I don't know.
You just asked for two?
Yeah.
Damn. Okay, let's see. Got the swimming trunks. I got these online. And then, oh yeah, it's all sewn in. That's fire. What size you get?
I think the shorts are small. These are small.
This is small too?
Yeah. Polo's medium. And then jersey's large.
Damn. That's...
Beast inside, beast inside, beast.
Yo, just got back from the Supreme store. Crazy stuff happened. Didn't even have the camera. But we cooked in the Supreme store. Let's see what we got. Initially we had S logo polo shorts, swimming trunks, 2 super soakers, 2 keychains, and a cycling jersey. And this is what we have left. Jersey, shorts. Yeah. We sold everything besides this on the street outside of Supreme. On the Fairfax app. Never believe who I sold the S logo polo and shorts to. Jacob Starr. I did not have my camera like I said, but I did get a little bit of footage on my phone. Just a little sneak peek. I'm gonna show right now. Boy, Jacob Starr just cashed me out. Oh yeah.
Hey, appreciate you, man. Appreciate you.
Shouts out to Marco for copping the 2 super soakers and the keychains also. It was a successful day, boys. We're on our way to the post office right now. We'll walk into the post office, ship this revenge hoodie. It's about a 5-minute walk. Everything is walking distance. I'll see you guys there. Here we are, guys. Post office right here. What the fuck? People are crazy, man. Yeah, for real. What's up, guys? So we just got back from the post office right there. Shipped the revenge hoodie. Walking back to the apartment right now, and Buddy was mad or something. He was walking in front of the bus. I can definitely tell we're in LA. That shit was so funny. Really, just every time she turned, he was right there in front of her. What's up, guys? We just got back to the apartment and we're about to go hang out with my brother and mom just for a little bit. So if you guys like this video, please go like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.